Hello viewers, welcome to another new video of your learner tutor. I hope you are all good. Today we will be seeing a problem related to matrix and transformation, mainly transformation. Here the question says quadrilateral A and quadrilateral B are drawn on a grid and B is the image of A and under a single transformation. Describe fully the single transformation. Now transformation, we have got four things. We have got reflection, we have got rotation, we have got translation, and enlargement. So in all these three, there won't be any change in the size. The size of the object and the image won't change in reflection, rotation and translation. Only in enlargement it will change. So look here, A, this is basically the bigger one here, and this is the smaller one. So think about it. Of course there is a change in size. So we will say that this is an enlargement. And this is how you're gonna get 1 mark. So this is enlargement, because this is the first part of this fully described single transformation question. The description needs to have couple of points. So when it is enlargement, you need to make 3 points. So this is enlargement done, first point. Second point is the center. How do you find the center of enlargement? That means where is actually the center? Not necessarily the center will be 0, 0. Let's see now. What do I have to do is, this one is actually this point, is actually this point. We need to first figure out which point is which point. At least we have to figure out 2 such points. You see this point here actually is this point. Basically this A, this bigger one, is inverted and made to be. So the left point becomes the right point, the top point becomes the bottom point, this way. Now the task is to actually join any of the 2 vertices. Let's say I am joining this vertex and this vertex, these 2 vertices, and let's say that I am joining these 2. Now when I am joining this one and this one and also this one and this one, you see these actually meet at this particular point. So when these 2 vertices will meet at a particular point, this is basically the center, which actually according to this graph is 1, 5. So this is how you find the center in enlargement. You join the 2 vertices of the image and the object, the corresponding vertices, the point where they will join, that will be the center. Now the last part is scale. How do you find the scale? Based on this center, you take 2 points, the same 2 points. Let's say I'm taking this one and this one. So based on this center, this is the object. So object will be -1, -2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the object vertex is -8, 0. Because this is the center, you are not going top or bottom, we are only going left, so it's going to be -8. And what about the image? Image is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 0. This point is 4, 0. This point is -8, 0. Now, since this has got smaller from bigger, or you can remember like this, you always try to divide the image by the object. So if I am dividing image by the object, so this will be 4 divided by minus 8, which ultimately will give me minus half. Here there are the y-axis are 0. Even if you have done it with the y-axis or the y coordinates of these points, the same result would have been. Since both are 0, so that's why you're not getting any particular result here, but you can easily do it with the x. Even if you take these ones, this one and this one, the same result will come. So the scale is basically minus half. And there is another way, whether you are right or wrong, try to figure out. This one is getting inverted. So whenever it is getting inverted, the sign will be minus. And from bigger to smaller, so of course the value will be less than 1. So please try to go through these type of problems. This is the way where when the image and the object will be given. If it is enlargement, you have to find the center and the scale, and this is the way you will get 3 marks from the question. So thank you very much. Please stay with the channel.